Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome to Via Digital. Today here we are with the next topic called operators in Python. Before going into data types, first let us deal what are the operators and where do we use them. After this, in the following videos I will be posting the data types because these operators are used to perform some functionalities on the data types itself. So before going to data types, first let us discuss what are the different types of operators, how they are used, where they are used in this video. Getting into the topic, please subscribe our channel, click the bell icon. The types of operators in Python are basically classified into 7 types. There are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators. Each of these classification has its own significance. Like arithmetic operators give some operations related to mathematics, like addition, subtractions, divisions, and multiplications. And assignment operators are used to give some functionalities like to assign some values to the variable or update the values of the variable, these kind of operations. And comparison operators are check whether two variables are greater, lesser, or equal or not equal. These types of conditions we are to check. And coming to logical operators, this is the logical operations like and or, whether two conditions are giving true or false, whether one is giving true, one is giving false. On based on these conditions we are going to write the conditions in conditional statements like if, else, if. In those statements we are going to use them. And coming to identity operators, we are going to check whether the value is exactly this or not. And coming to membership operators, whether the value is present in this or not. And coming to bitwise operators, these are also like same like logical operators. For this I will be explaining elaborately in the upcoming video, like how actually bitwise operators work, like how to perform AND operation bitwisely, how to perform OR operation bitwisely, how to make some left shift, how to make some right shift. I will show exactly what happened mathematically there. So in this video, first of all, let us go into arithmetic operators. Coming to arithmetic operators, arithmetic operators are used with numeric values to perform common mathematical operations. What are the common mathematical operations? Since our childhood we know like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Modulus is we'll be using in the programming culture, but modulus is nothing but the remainder of the division. And exponentiation like finding the powers and coming to the floor division. So these are the different types of categories of operators present in the classification of arithmetic operators. Now let us check how do we write some real-time code in Python. Let me open my IDLE. Yeah, for this thing let us take two numbers like 2 and 3. For example, I want to add two numbers 2 plus 3. The answer is 5. Nothing but just we are adding 2 and 3. It is giving me 5. Let us check what is 2 minus 3. It is minus 1. Right? It is giving minus 1. Now let us check what is the multiplication. 2 asterisk 3. The star mark technically called as asterisk actually. 2 into 3 it is giving 6. Coming to division, what is 2 divided by 3? The division mark in the any programming language is denoted by the forward slash, single forward slash. The answer is 0.66666 and so on. Please remember what is the difference between division and floor division. Let us see now. I am checking what is floor division. 2 forward slash 3. Let us check the answer. It is giving just 0. What the function of floor division is, it will truncate the number after the decimal point. What exactly it means, like let me take some other example. Let me check 3 by 2. It is 1.5. What if 3 floor division 2, it gives only 1, means I am taking only the integer part of the answer. That is nothing but we are removing the decimal part. It is nothing but what we are doing in the previous previous videos I shared, right? Like what is typecasting. The same thing, like if like int of 3 by 2, What is the answer? It is 1. Means we are taking only the integer part of the result. This is the difference between floor division and the general division. And coming to modulus operator, let us check what is modulus operator. 3 modulo division 2. What it is giving 1, because whenever you divide 3 with 2, 2 ones are 2, and 3 minus 2, the answer will be 1, right? Reminder that 1, it is nothing but the remainder after dividing 3 with 2. And coming to exponentiation, let us check, like 3 star star 2, it is nothing but 3 square, right? Like 3 square, 3 into 3, 9. Let me take some other example, like 4 to the power of 4 star star 4. What it is? It's 256. Let me give some other example, like 16 square 256. So this is nothing but we are just getting the powers of some number to some number. The numbers which written initially is known as the base, and the number which is written after 2 star marks is nothing but the power. This is the exponentiation function. Generally in C and Java languages, you need to import the math library, like math package. From that you need to import some POW, like power function will be having. In that we need to supply 2 arguments, like one is base and one is power. But in Python it is a general arithmetic operator. Very simple, right? And coming to next operators. So this is the arithmetic operators. Coming to next operators, they are assignment operators. Let us check what are assignment operators. Assignment operators are just used to assign the values to the variables. If I want to know age of some person, I will declare one variable age, and I need to take input from the user, right? Like age, I want to enter like 15, where the 15 will be allotted. It will be allotted to some of the variable. How we are going to allot? Using the assignment operator. For example, let us check. Let me take some variable a is equals to some 5. Now what is the value of a? It is nothing but 5, right? I'm just assigning some value to the variable a, that is 5. For example, let me take in the user point of view, some b is equals to input. Now my program is asking enter some value. Let me enter some 85. What is the value of p now? It is 85. Means we are just assigning using equal to operator some value to the variable. Coming to the next next lines of operators in the assignment operators. Let me zoom it. Yeah, if you check here, the almost all the operators are having some arithmetic operator assigned with some equal operator, right? And in the below in the table you can see there some logical operator followed by some assignment operator. So what are these operators? Let us check. For example, in the example they were given, x plus equals to 3 is nothing but x is equals to x plus 3. Let us try this. For example, x is equals to 7, I am giving it, and I want to do x plus is equals to 3. Now its value is 10. Let me take the same example, like y is equals to 7, and I am writing the same statement, x plus 3 is equals to y is equals to y plus 3. I just changed the variable name, but the concept is same here. Now let us check what is y value. It is nothing but simply 10. So you are seeing, right, the lines of code x plus 3, x plus is equals to 3 and y is equals to y plus 3, they both signifies the same. So the same statements of for the plus operator repeated for the all the things. Let us try some power now. For example, let me take some n is equals to some 4. I want to know n star star is equals to 2. Let us check what is the value. N is equals to 16. Just you are supplying nothing but n star star 2, means like 4 square you are doing. It is nothing but you are doing operation on some variable and assigning the resultant value to the same variable. So the values which are you are getting after the result formation, that result is assigned to the same variable itself. Then this type, like this is repeated for all the operators listed here. and below in the 5 lines you can see the bitwise and or like not and left shift and right shift. We will check how bitwise operators will check in our last video of the operators. I will be explaining you clearly. Till then, keep subscribing us. Thank you.